I know you almost didn't hear this today. I know you almost scrolled past, almost looked away, because you've been telling yourself that no one really sees you. But I need you to stop right here. Just breathe. Because this moment, this one right now, is not an accident. You've been carrying something heavy, haven't you? Something you don't talk about anymore. Not because it stopped hurting, but because you got tired of explaining a pain no one seemed to understand. You smile, you show up, you hold it together for everyone around you. But late at night, when the noise stops, you feel it. That quiet ache, that loneliness that doesn't make sense to anyone else. I see it. I've always seen it. When was the last time someone looked into your eyes and said, "You don't have to be strong right now"? When was the last time you felt safe enough to fall apart? You come to me with your polished prayers, but I don't need those. I need the real you. The one who doubts. The one who cries in the shower. The one who wonders if they even matter. That's the one I chose. That's the one I love. Not a better version of you. This version. Right here. Right now. The world told you that love was something you had to earn. That you had to prove your worth before you deserved it. But I never said that. I came for the broken ones. The tired ones. The ones the world forgot. I came for you. So put it down. Whatever you're holding so tightly your hands are shaking, release it. Not because it doesn't matter, but because you were never meant to carry it alone. I am here. I have always been here. Even when you couldn't feel me, I never left your side. Not once. You are not too far gone. You are not too damaged. You are not too late. You are exactly where I can reach you, and I am reaching for you right now. If this found you at the right moment, maybe it was meant for someone else too. Someone near you who is silently breaking. Share it with them. Let them know they're not invisible. You are seen. You are known. You are deeply, irreversibly loved. Amen.